In this video, I'll show the process of updating the SAVI server version. Starting in version 3.3.0, we now have an Updates tab within Creator, which is where we'll apply the update. However, we still need to download the update file from the dealer portal. We can navigate there by entering dealer.savicontrols.com in the browser and logging in with your dealer credentials. Now that we're logged in, select Firmware Software on the left. Here we're reminded that your server needs a current ASM contract as well as already being on version 3.3.0 or later. Click I understand and agree and continue. Now you can click Download to start downloading the SAVI version. Note that this is a 2 gig file and will take some time to download. So while we wait, let's verify the server we're about to update has an annual support and maintenance, ASM, contract that has not expired. This is an important step as the upgrade will not complete if ASM has expired. Select SAVI Licenses and find your server by name or serial number. Since I have many servers, I'm going to search by serial number, which can be found in the Creator Updates page. Now that I've found the server I want to update, I'll select it. From here, we're looking for the Support End Date field. If this date is in the past, please contact sales to renew your annual support and maintenance contract. If this date is in the future, you can continue with the update process. So now that I've verified my ASM is up to date and I've downloaded the SAVI version, I can return to Creator to finish the process. Under Updates, select SAVI Server Pro and browse to the SAVI release file that we just downloaded. Notice that this is a compressed .tgz file. This needs to be uploaded exactly as it was downloaded, a compressed file. Once you hit Install Firmware, the server will begin the update process, which includes a reboot. Once your server has reconnected, verify the version number has updated here on the Updates page. And that completes your SAVI server update.